I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is my Seagate 1TB hard drive and its warranty is all over. As you can see, it's recertified. Now let's see what problem you might be facing similar to mine. As you connect your drive, you won't be able to see any LED display on your drive, as well as if you see your PC, there won't be any notification popping. Let's check this PC. If there is any source we can find. No, my drive is not visible here. Let's check the eject button if it's reading my USB. No USB detected. Now let me show you the source of problem. As you can see, the connector from your hard drive, this connector is either loose or broken. That's the major concern. You can also try a different cable to check whether your cable is bad, but in my case it didn't work. Now let me show you how to open this. As you can see, there's a gray portion and a black portion. This is stick by a glue. You can easily remove it with the help of a flat screwdriver. Now let me talk about some scams which you will be facing in the market. So I went to Seagate service center and they said your data can be recovered and they can change the kit in 1300 rupees. So I went to other shop and they offered me around 8000 rupees to recover 900 GB of data and 1700 for the kit. Man, are you serious? Now let me try popping this cover out. As you can see, I'm trying with a flathead screwdriver and see, a part broke. That was a loose part, or it might already have been broken. It's not a big deal. Anyways, we will be adding a new enclosure for it. You can easily find enclosure in Amazon or Flipkart. I recommend to buy a good quality enclosure, especially which has a warranty on it. And I have bought an ORICO enclosure and it had a 1 year of warranty and it is suitable for a 2.5-inch hard drive. So before buying any enclosure, confirm what's the size of your hard drive. Removing the back won't take much long time. It will just pop up like this. This is your main drive. Now let's remove it from the casing. You will find a silver tape which is being wrapped in your hard drive. We need to remove this. As you can see, this part which broke was connected over it, and we will be removing few parts from this hard drive. Don't worry, it won't damage your hard drive. The other part, you can remove it easily by plugging it out. This is the new enclosure which we will be using, and it came with the cable. It's a transparent case, it's pretty good, and it also has LED in it, red and blue. Let's remove the wrapping from it. It costed me around 500 rupees in Amazon and is way less than what I have been offered by shopkeepers. It comes with a sliding mechanism by which you can open it, and it comes very handy. I will just quickly check the orientation in which hard drive should be placed in this enclosure. Now let's have a closer look on your hard drive. That's your hard drive. As you can see, That's the part which we have removed, and let me show you quickly. That's the part which was broken, and we don't need these two parts as our enclosure is already equipped with these two parts. That's our enclosure, and let me show you quickly the old part and the new part which has been already in place. Let's see the pin. Both are similar. Now let's remove old tape from it. We don't need it anymore. It was just to hold that part. And orientation, you should remember that the silver part of hard drive must be on top and green on bottom, as you will slide it with a little bit pressure, it will make a click sound, and that's how you install your hard drive, and you are done. Now let me close this enclosure. Oh, I forgot, it slides from bottom. Let's slide it and connect. You are done. Now let's see. Looks alright to me. Now let's check whether it's working or not, and my data is safe or not. Let me throw this stuff out. We don't need it anymore. Talking about cable, the quality is quite similar to the original cable which I have got from Seagate, and its length is a bit more than that. That's the final look you will be getting on your hard drive. Let me focus. Yes. So that's how it will look after adding your enclosure to your hard drive. Now let's start testing it out. Let me plug in USB. As I plugged in, matter of fact, notification popped up. Alright, let me check this PC. It has blue LED on it. Okay, nice. There you go, I can see my drive. I can see it's filled. Let me open it. Yes, all data is there. None of my data is lost. At last, I will say, please don't believe on those people who say your data is lost or adding an enclosure will make you lose your data. Let's eject it now. Perfect. It's working fine. That's the final look of your hard drive. It will look like this if you add this transparent enclosure. It looks really cool. Thank you for watching.